Hello students, in this lecture we are talking about random number generator. We will need this for some simple game. We'll create it later. So we will add some variable as a global in a header of our script. Then we will create some random number generator with range, and we will write the range in integers from 1 to 10. So this will be our random number. Also, we will use randomize for randomized seed of this random range. So we don't. So we will not have same random numbers created, and we can add to see this random number here. So random number is something like this. We can add it here, but don't forget this random number is integer, and we are working with the text, so we will need it to change it to the string. So this will be something like part of a text plus integer changed to a string here. Let me remind you, we have a previously created label, previously created button, and previously created connection with the button. So let's see what we create. We have some kind of a text, and when the button is pressed, we get a random number. When we press it again, we get different number. So we use the name random number. So this is a random number generator, simple one from 1 to 10. If you want some changes in a rank, change it here. So from 1 to 10 or from 1 to 100 or whatever you like. And you will get your results here as you see. Thank you for watching. This is all in this short lecture. Goodbye, and I see you in the next one.